Hi guys, these are quick video directions to help you understand your options when you submit assignments on Canvas. I'm going to go to that personal introduction project that you have due today. When you click on the assignment, when you are ready to submit, I said you can either submit the assignment by going to this top right corner and clicking here, or you can actually attach a Google document. Here are the different options. So when you click submit assignment, it will pop open a box down here. If you are going to, here's the tabs you need to take note of. A file upload would be if you are going to attach a regular document from your computer. You can also attach your Google Drive documents this way. You can also use this tab under Google Drive LTI to attach a document that way and submit. Or if you want to type directly into an open text area, you click the text entry. Don't use the CK through 12 practice. I don't know even what that's about yet. I have to take a closer look at it. But that is the 3 different options for submitting assignments when it comes to Canvas. As long as I've made all available, you are more than welcome to choose the one that you prefer. I hope that helps, and that's all.